Okay, perfect. On live. Alright, chat. This is my first stream. Um, so basically, 15, 18 years old. Um, and basically, I'm a day trader. Well, not real money, paper trading, but I'm documenting my trades. So yeah, and I'm gonna do this probably every single day, Monday through Friday. So if you guys like the videos, if you guys like my strategies, keep watching. If you don't, go to a different guy. Anyways, today, right now it's 5:38, and it's no news Monday, so it's not the best trading day, but we'll see what we do. Might not trade, but we'll see. Okay, first let me check if the stream is going good. Alright, stream is going good. Alright, I got my friend Bogdan right here. We're trading together, and yeah, I'm just gonna explain trading to him and everything if he needs questions or anything. So we're just doing it together. Anyways, right here. So let's just mark out the previous session highs and lows. So what we got is high right here, low right here, another low, but and I'm pretty sure this is London. This is, I forgot. Anyways, right here, low-key, market's so weird right now. If I would trade, I mean, it's going in the up direction, so if I would trade, what would I want to see? I want to see, um, I want to see a move up over here and just bounce off of the sweep, and then see a break of structure right here to the downside. Um, then have some confirmations, and then take a trade on the downside. Since we don't really have anything up here, let me turn this off. Oh, this, by the way, these colors, they're sessions. So if you want to copy it, it's really helpful. So you could mark out your highs and lows super easily. But I just turn it off after I do this right here. And I turn it off. Alright, so low key, it's ass right now, but I could see something. Honestly, from seeing this, we could low key go in two directions, but what I would mostly want to have is um bearish because we're already going in the uptrend, we're going bullish, so I want to see some bounce off these candles on the 30-minute. So what I usually do is just I hop on shorts, I mark out highs and lows, then I just wait for a sweep on 30-minute to 1 hour time frame, maybe 15, not really 15, but it honestly don't matter, because why I want to go down, as I said, look, there's literally nothing here for us to like do anything. But if we go here, we could, like, if we want to take profits, like, we could take profits, like, at a certain levels and points. Like, right here, here, right here. You guys understand, right? Yeah. So, I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. Alright, Bogdan. What's good? Wait. Say again. Huh? Zoom in. You're on the 1 minute, that's why. I'm on the 30-minute time frame. So basically, you see. No, it's not here. Get out. Okay, you see 1 minute? Yeah, now go down, go down. Okay, now press on 5 minute. Wait, go back. I need you to like highlight these time frames. You see the add button, plus button right there? Yeah. Press plus button. I'm gonna shut us. Press it again. Okay, now go to 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour. And do the same thing. Well, you didn't save it. It didn't save for you. Wait, maybe. Oh, by the way, guys. By the way, I am right here. So look, I have a delay. Data is delayed by 10 minutes because I didn't buy nothing from trading you. Like I didn't buy no plans. Soon I'll buy it, but man, I'm just practicing with this. But I want to get FX replay soon. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. Just keep in mind 10-minute delay data, but yeah, that means data is 10 minutes. Like it will be all live, but 10 minutes. Like for example, it started 10 minutes later. You know, I mean, yeah, later. So that's what I'm saying. Okay, perfect. Go on to 30 minute. Yeah. Okay, so now we have the same exact charts. You see, you could zoom out a bit. Yeah. All right, perfect. Okay, so what you want to do is mark out session highs and lows. Huh? How do I do that? Okay, first let me give you this indicator. You know what's indicators? Yeah. Okay, so go on indicator and press on. Go on indicator. Yo. Yeah, right there. Now press on. Wait, did you go to indicators? No. Okay, search simple sessions. SIMPLE. PLE. Sessions. SESSIONS. Okay, now let me try to remember which one exactly it was. Um, or maybe I could see. Hold on. Loki forgot what it was, but it's fine. All you need to do is okay. Just do the first one. Let's see the first one. Let me see if it's correct. Okay, just stay right there. Stop. Mm, I mean, we already entered another session, so it doesn't look. I'm gonna go back. Go again. Six. Okay, now just sample sessions. Now do the second one. And by the way, guys, I'm gonna try to stream next time, probably when I have opportunity to trade, when I see something opportunity to trade, so I don't just bore you guys out. But so like, Loki didn't think of that, but is what it is. First trade, gotta learn. All right. Perfect. Yo, that's perfect. Okay, now you see the so okay, um, hate these ads, bro. Okay, now go to the last one you did and delete it. No, no, no. Or you could, you could do simple sessions, and then the first one that's pops up, you just remove from the start, like from SE. Yeah. Wait, which one did you do? Do you remember? Okay, it's fine. Okay, just go. Oh, put it. Put. Okay, now get out. Okay, now which one are you in? The first one or the second one? Look on top, next to your soundbite. Okay, that's the good one. So go to the other one. No, 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 no. You just press it. You see where it says sessions? Now delete it. Now delete it. Okay, so okay, now you see where you have blue, green. Mark out the most high wick. By the way, a wick is after the body. You know what's a wick? After like the body. Yeah, so there's a body and there's a little tiny wick. The wick are the sticks. So zoom. Wicks are like the highest of that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, now zoom out and just mark out the highest highs and highest lows of each session. Wait, that's the wrong one. Hold, hold up. Did you delete the wrong one? Okay, go back to indicators. So, yeah, delete this one. It's not the right one. Go back to indicators and do the second one that you did. It should be the Alfred 343. Like the most highest one, yeah. The one that's marked with the star. Yeah, guys. So basically, it's a no news Monday. Typ- Typically, if I was live trading, I wouldn't probably take a trade today. But honestly, I'm literally back testing. I'm paper trading. I'm acting like it's serious, but like, but you know, I probably won't trade if it was actually live account. But anyways, and this is what I have. I have this. It's called Notion. Most of you probably obviously know. It's really pretty popular. I love it. It's nice. So let's see how much I'm up. Hold up. There. Hopefully it shows my login stuff. I'm gonna wait for it to show my login stuff because I'm not sure. Alright. So let me see your screen. Let me see what you did. Alright. I guess I have to log in. Probably gonna do this. Do this. Then log in. Perfect, perfect. Now you see each session is each color, right? Wait, there's one session that's the same color. You have to change that. Yo, why do I not have internet or something? Gosh, just all. You know, screw this. I don't know why it's not working. Whatever. I'm just gonna. Okay, I'll just show you guys later. Okay, go to press on sessions. Yo, Sloki, hold on. Okay, now go to setting button. Okay, now go to style. Okay, okay. Let me just try to find. Oh, I could do this. Hold up. Hold up. I could just do this. I'm gonna send it to the chat, okay? Alright. All you need to do is press on that. Copy, I mean. Or actually, let me see if you press. No, you have to copy it, like, and then paste it on your indicators. Hopefully, that's what I'm thinking. Hopefully it works actually. But yeah, guys, I don't have too much indicators. Like, to be honest, when I even started, I wasn't that type of guy who like put indicators all over the place because to me it just sounded like, well, first when I Oh, I didn't even tell you guys the backstory. So, um, my name is Andre, and I'm 15, 18 years old, and so basically, um, I'm trading already for about a year, but but there is some stuff. So look, first 3 months I was locked in. I was trading like crazy. Um, like I learned so much stuff throughout the time. Made notes, made everything. Like I already knew all the confirmations and everything like that. Everything. It was like it was really like it was still really hard, but like I knew a bunch. But then after the 3 months, I was like, I just, I was like when you start, I just recommend you not to get to your brokerage, to your this. Just don't think about the money. Just think about trading and learning to trade. Cause like the first 3 months, like I was like learning, but then there's came a time where I was thinking about this. I was thinking about brokerage. I was thinking about this. I was thinking about this. Just don't. Just don't, honestly. Like you'll get it throughout you learn. But just learn trading. Learn the charts. Just don't hop too much because it's gonna mess with your brain so much that you're just like gonna quit. So basically that's really kind of what happened to me after those 3 months. I didn't quit, but like I was lacking so much. Like, like you could say like I didn't quit, but like it was like I did it like probably once 2 weeks. Like literally hopped on the chart once 2 weeks, watched a video once 2 weeks. Dude, it was bad. And that was going on for almost a whole year. Then this past month, I'm starting again. Like I'm watching every video, everything, and I'm starting to stream, so it'll be like better for me. So if I do have people watching, they're gonna be like post. That's motivation already. And then I got my friend, which wakes up also in the morning as me, and that's also motivation because like if I don't wake up, he's gonna be like, why don't you wake up? He's gonna be trading. So keep in mind, not keep in mind, but yeah. So that's my story, and just just don't overcomplicate it at the beginning. Just I know it's gonna be complicated, but don't hop too much stuff. Just learn trading, learn the charts, learn everything. Then after that, after you get good at charts, look for your broker, do whatever, do this, look at this. But it's gonna mess with your brain so much. So yeah, that's my tip. Yeah. Okay. Yo, let me see what you have here. It doesn't. That sucks. Okay, well, go back. Okay, just go to sessions and try to find the right one. There's like only like 4 or 5. There's no trade opportunities right now anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I mean, I'm looking at some opportunities, but that we gotta get to it. So yeah, guys. So last week, yo, I want to show you Notion, but it's not letting me show it, bro. Actually pisses me off. Dude, like just show me Notion, bro. Finally, get. Oh, no, log in. Mm-hmm. click the TRD floor. Yo, this is actually annoying, bro. It's like the first time it ever happened to me. Not letting me log in. Like, look, I'm gonna press login. There goes my charger. Alright, I'm gonna press login. Now, look, 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 look. Oh my goodness. Whatever. Alright, it's whatever. Okay. Yo, yo, chat. Alright, wait. I'm gonna probably go. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do some. Yo, why is there raccoons? Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to try to find that TikTok that I made. Not I made, but that I found. It was probably my other account. By the way, TikTok is Andre Trades with one S. Andre Trades. Go follow it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna check. What was it? What was it? Oh yeah. Um, Bro, I literally asked one thing to TikTok. It gives me a whole nother thing. Bro, I literally did not ask for this. Wait, let me try again. Indicators for sessions. Session. Alright, bro. It's not this exact indicator, but it's a good indicator, you know? Oh, okay. Yo, bro. I'm gonna send it to you right now to the chat. Okay, so just search up what he's pointing at. FX market session. Um, Boe Toki. Alright. It's not the same exact as mine, but it's good. It even marks out the highs and lows. Bro, who's next to you? Market is moving slow, bro. What is this movement, bro? I have to get ready for school in like 15 minutes. Like right now, guys, for sure, no, like you could tell where, like, no, what am I doing? You could tell where market could go. Like, not tell, but like, for example, we could like see if it pushes those the highs and sweeps, we could know it's gonna go down. But like right now, it's like it's not even at any highs, so we can't really know. Or if it goes down to this this low, we can maybe get a breaker structure to the downside, and then maybe have a market shift, or I guess it's a little market shift. Or right here is market shift. Maybe market structure shift right here. Oh man, no news Monday, but Monday's actually ass, bro. Let's recap to these trades. I didn't take a trade there, so this trade beautifully worked out, but I was still in plus, but like basically, what was that? Yeah. So look, basically, it was 3.328, but I didn't get to that 8 because I don't like trading overnight. I only like trading in a couple hours. Like the most is like 5 hours trade, bro. So I don't, cause like I'm not gonna see the market at night, right? So look, it came up here. I just sold, bro, cause it was really late, I think. So, but eventually hit. It didn't even hit my stop loss, but honestly, I don't really care because I just like to sticking to um I like sticking to my my max 5 hour trades because I'm not trying to like we could do the whole day, but like not overnight, dude. Not overnight. Like as long as I'm not like if I'm not seeing trades, like if I'm not seeing the trade, this is a beautiful trade. If I'm not seeing the trade, then I'm not doing jack. Cause like I'm pretty sure I entered this trade in NQ. It was beautiful. Okay, anyways, get back to this. Dude, tomorrow should be much better. Tomorrow, it's not even here. Tomorrow should be much better. Let's see NQ. I didn't even do it. NQ looks diabolical, bro. What is this, bro? Yeah, bro. I don't like NQ, bro. Yes, looks better. Better volume. Like, look at this. I mean, that could be a SMT though. Let's see. Let's see if that could be an SMT. Wait, that's for sure not an SMT. What am I doing? Oh, actually, it is. Yo. Hey, by the way, guys, if I'm wrong in any way, correct me. Cause, hey, I'm still learning. So, all right, look at that. We got an SMT, and on ES we have an SMT to the downside. And guess what that means? That's on one of my confirmations. So I got 5 minute. Wait, it's not even. Wait, it could be a 5 minute still. Yeah, still a 5 minute. Still a 5 minute. Yep. All right, we got a 5 minute confirmation, and the one that's to the downside, I'll probably trade. Okay, and then we got that's already one. Great, great. So now we're looking for a sweep. And then after sweep, we're looking for BOS, then IFVG, and then 79% extension, Fibonacci extension. So as long as it comes up here, breaks probably this, because this I don't really care. Actually, yeah, right here, breaks here, BOS, but it could probably form another one. So yeah, but I just need a sweep right now. That's all I'm looking for. So that's why I'm just like waiting. I'll probably only stream if there's like good opportunities to stream, like to trade. So yeah, I don't like be boring for a long time. Yo, bro. So how's it looking? Did you mark out all the highs and lows? Alright, perfect. When you have your code, um, let me see how you set highs and lows. Alright. Oh, I need to name this. Okay. SMT right there. Got some Dubai chocolate. Got some these candies. I mean, not candies. Chocolate that we all thought was expensive when we were kids. Got some Ukrainian, like good Ukrainian snacks. Yo, looking you do homework. for like 15 minutes. Okay, let me know when you're on the charts and tell me, and I'm gonna see how you marked out highs and lows for sessions. Okay? Okay, hold up. Okay, what's up? Show me. Did you get the session that I sent on the chat? Okay, so go to the chat. I sent a picture where he's pointing. You put the title, and from that exact person, like, you know. Yeah, bro. I don't think I'm gonna trade. We can take a trade today because no news Monday. Market is not good. 36:30. 7 o'clock. I have to already get up, get ready. So it's 30 more minutes. 35. And tomorrow should be better. Because there's news. What is tomorrow? Let's see. Tomorrow is S&P/CS composite. Ooh, 7 a.m. There's some folders. Okay, we got high impact news on Wednesday. That's from 11 a.m. So I'm not gonna be trading. So I don't really care. Okay, this should be good for the market to like do its thing, so I could take a trade. Because market right now is not doing its thing right now. To be honest, market is. You guys know what I mean. But there would probably be a trade. But I have to leave, so that's the dumb thing. I can't take a trade because school is strict, no phone, no nothing. So I'm seeing already SMT to the downside. I could like see it, like look, I could see it do this, choop, and then bam. I could like see it, but obviously we don't know for sure if that's happening or not. But we could kind of like figure out if it's gonna happen. This is how it's gonna happen. You know, for example, if it goes here, it's most likely gonna change directions. But anyways, I just like I feel like there's gonna be a trade, but I'm not gonna be here for it. So if there's gonna be a trade, man, that would suck. But this is what I'm literally hoping to see, and then confirmations right here and everything. But yeah. Yo, Bogdan, did you figure it out? Hmm? 30 minute time frame? Yeah. Go on 30 minute time frame. You could also use 1 hour, but it's like basically the same. So it is the same, but like just with smaller stick candlesticks. But it doesn't really matter right now because we're not even in a range. Like we need to be here or here to know what's gonna happen. Like if we're right here, where we right now are, we know nothing. Okay, like we could tell something, but we know nothing. We need to take out these or take out these. Well continue this. That's what my theory is. But I want to take out these right here. We got already some SMD. Come on, dude. What the heck? Yeah, bro. If there's gonna be a trade opportunity, and I'm not even. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be in school and there's gonna be a trade opportunity. I'm pissed. I'm actually pissed. But hey, what can I say? Alright, bro. Just tell me when you're ready. Especially there's like no news. Market's just gonna be weird. Yeah, bro. Huh. Alright, bet. Let me see. Alright, perfect. You got it. Yep. Okay. Okay. You see where the lowest low of, like, I mean, yeah, right there. Tokyo session? Yeah, mark that. Mm-hmm. Go on, trading panel. Click trading panels on the bottom. Mm-hmm. Yeah, right there, trading panel. On the bottom. No. Bottom. Yeah. Now click paper trading. Now get out. Now go to the left side. Show me. Okay, now go on top where there's a one end to it. No, yeah. You could use trendline, or what I use is horizontal ray. I don't know how you could look it up. Just use that. Actually, wait. You see the arrow? You see the arrow next to it? No. Yeah, you see? Yeah, no, no. Go back to the one that you were at. Now turn a bit to the right, just really slowly. Yeah, stop. You see that arrow? Click on it. Now, uh, horizontal ray. There should be a star at the right side. You see a star? Press on it. Okay, now go to trend line. Well, that thing, go up more to the one that you were at. Now click on it. Now go to it, and there should be a star that you could press. No, to the trend line, the summit top. Now click on it. Okay, yeah. For now, we could have this. Okay, now get out. And you should see on your top right screen, there should form like a box. Like a little, yeah, okay. Left. Go a bit to the left. Stop. You see there? Yeah, now press horizontal right. The one to the left. Okay? Now what you're gonna do is mark out each session. Like for example, Tokyo session, mark out London, New York. While you do that, I wanna see how you do it. Yeah, just mark it out. This is New York session. This is New York session, but it's showing me some weird color. I did blue, but it's whatever. I still know. Okay. Tokyo, London, New York. Oh, Tokyo. No, where? What am I doing? Tokyo, London, New York. This is just Okay. Yo, my Chromebook. I mean, not computer. So low on battery. Alright. Now keep on marking off sessions. For example, London right there. You see the low. Oh, you did it. Yeah. Okay. Tokyo, the low. You did it. Tokyo high. You did it. New York. Is New York just full form or what? Okay, so New York doesn't matter. Okay, if you want, wait, let me see you to the left side. What time frame are you in, by the way? You're in 30 minutes? Oh, and also mark out the low and high of the first candle. Wick, wicks. That's important too because the first literally the first candle is there's it's literally the highest high of all and lowest low of all. So it's like pretty important, really important. Okay, now you could take off your sessions. Like, you know how to take it off? Press on the I button. Don't delete it, but just press on the I button. Oh, you did it. Okay. So, alright, perfect. Now, why we do highs and lows? This is why we do it. We do highs and lows because when market gets to that point, we need to see what it does because it went to the recent high, recent low, or session high, session low, you know? So, for example, market moves up, it makes a wick at the both of those highs on top, right there. Then we are most likely in a sweep. We don't know for sure, but how do we know? We know by confirmations. What's confirmations? Confirmations what you need to learn, which is I sent it to the chat. The notes. Ooh, we're getting a push up. Let's go. Okay, so what's confirmations? BOS, MSS, MS, um, all things like that. IFVG, VG, FVG. I mean, so that's why we need to mark out highs and lows for each session. So I doubt we're gonna trade today, but I mean it's pushing up. I love this. I love to see this right now. So we were literally here the whole entire time. But okay. Hmm? Of what? Yo, I can't hear you. I don't think he's gonna trade to be honest. Look, he kind of pissing me off. Like, he's a good person, but like if you're not gonna trade, then like you know you gotta commit, or if you don't commit, then you like it's not gonna work out. You know, it's not just a thing that it prints money just because you see that people do it in 2 minutes on TikTok. First of all, the people that do it in 2 minutes on TikTok, bro, they do like really short trades with really always like high risk, high reward, short trade, and a lot of money. Like they would put like 1K in each trade or something like that, and like really, you know, an hour only. It's not bad. Yo, market is so cooked right now, bro. Bro, I hate this right now. Man. Oh, by the way, when you first thing you do when you get on Atom markets, you just mark out recent highs and lows. Okay. Okay. Tell me why we need to mark out highs and lows. Yeah, exactly. We need to see what market does after it goes to the recent highs or lows. Like, and then for example, if it goes here and it has a wick, we know that could be a possible sweep. We don't know for sure right now. Like, if it happens, we don't know for sure, but that's why we have confirmations, which we will know after it happens in a bit, and then we could take a trade after our confirmations and everything. So, like for example, or if it doesn't sweep, it breaks. What we know, it broke. It's gonna be continuing most likely. So, yeah, yeah, that you already know that. That's good. Hopefully tomorrow you'll be moving. You'll be ready. Like, so what do you do tomorrow when you open your trading view? Hmm? Mm, yeah. Right. Perfect. What do you mean you're all blue? No, it's you could change the color if you want. Look, go in my live and I'll show you. You see? You can change it whatever color you want. If you like, I like the color I have already. It's like simple. Cause like, look, you have to change your candlestick colors, cause it gets to your like head a lot. Like it's kind of confusing, honestly. Black, red, and green. Like it's way simpler and you can look at the charts better if you have your own colors that like you're very good process through or whatever. You know, if you know what I mean. Like this color that I have, it's so good. Like I'm never like overwhelmed out looking at the computer because not like you know what I mean, overwhelmed about you know kind of, but because the colors are good, and I could just look at the charts instead of when had black and what is it, black and blue. I mean, what I was saying, red and blue and black on the background. It was like it was literally like hurting my brain. So a lot of people do that. Basically everybody. You just change the colors they like. You could check on TikTok what people color they put, and maybe you'll like that color, and maybe they will say it. You know, yo, this is why you don't trade on Mondays, bro. No news Monday, but it's so cooked, bro. It's actually Friday. But it's fine. I should have known that. Well, I knew that, but like tomorrow should be a way better trading day. Coffee's really cool, bro. only in 30 minutes because I'm looking for good trades, for sweeps, possibly for continuations, but like if we're in 5 minutes, for example, like okay, look, I'm a box. Go to my stream, okay? Tell me when I'm. Tell me when you see that box. A stream kind of. You see it? Okay. This is 5 minutes. This is the box, okay? I go to 30 minutes. This is the box, okay? It's the same exact price action, but so look, this price action, horrible. You can't take any trade because you don't know what's gonna happen, bro. And and look, it's literally the same exact thing. So what if you would take a trade right here? Like it's you wouldn't even know like you wouldn't even you're just gambling at that point. You don't know what you're doing basically. That's why I go to like for example, see bomb plot. You see that would already get stopped if you took a trade in. But so are we gonna trade on well this is what I'm doing. This is what I do usually. 30 minute. I go on 30 minute, right? Wait, what did I do? I'm lagging, I'm lagging. Oh my god, I'm so lagging. Okay, shots, I'll explain once this dumb internet connection gets better and so I'm gonna buy a new computer. Okay, good, finally. Okay, so as you see right here, okay, this is 30-minute time frame. This is a box of what happened in 30 minutes, what I marked out, okay, you see? Okay, now basically let's go 5 minutes and look at the same box. Okay, perfect. That's 5 minutes of the 30-minute what I just. So yeah, same exact market, same exact patterns. I mean, like not patterns, but whatever. You get what I mean. Um, but right here, there's no good trade you could take because market is weird. Okay, market is weird. You like you have to know like how to explain this. Market is weird and you can't really like know what it's gonna do. You see? So that's why I just go to 30 minute and I'm just looking for it to go to these highs. You see what I'm pointing at? See where I'm pointing at? You see? Yeah. Okay, so look. I want price because look, I only take trades if it's something with the recent high, recent low. You know? I don't want to take a trade. Well, there could be exceptions, but not really. But I want I want to see stuff from recent highs and recent lows. Like for example, right now I want to see something from recent high because what are we doing? We're literally in an uptrend right now. Okay, how are we in an uptrend? You know what? How? We got, look, we got a low, we got a high, we got a higher low, higher high. I don't know if that's higher high, but higher low. Then this, if we break, it's gonna be a higher high, which basically is gonna be continuing. But if it goes here with a good wick to here, we know that that's a possible sweep. And basically, if we know that's a possible sweep, we look at our confirmations. For example, I wrote down confirmations, and I see, and I'm like, okay, it could be a possible sweep. I still don't take the trade, bro. I still don't take the trade. I wait for market to push right here. Push right here. You know why? Because right here, what is breaker structure to the downside. Okay? Now, after that, we look, well, actually, after the sweep, I would go to 5-minute time frame so I could easily see more better. So, for example, right here, BOS to the downside, if it would happen. BOS is just breaker structure. I'll explain later too. And then after that, I want to see it IFVG, which is invalid fair value gap. For example, we got a body, wig, bad drawing, but whatever, you get the point. That actually does not have to be wigs, but I'm just gonna delete it. And then well, yeah, it's supposed to actually be here. Anyways, something like this, I'll show, it looks weird, but this is basically a FEG, and it's both. It's a FEG and it's a IFEG. FEG is supporting it. For example, if we're in an uptrend, right, and we want to support this level, if it's a FEG, right, we would see this. Okay, but if it's IFEG, we want invalid fair value gap, which invalid fair value gap it means is invalidates it, which what we need to see is just push through. Good candlestick, 5-minute candlestick, push through. You'll understand more about that later, but basically I just wait on the 30-minute time frame until the price action goes to the recent highs or recent lows, any recent lows, highs, and see what it will do, because I'm not taking a trade just like that. Like, I'm not taking a trade like, dude, you think I want to trade from here to here and take my profit here? Like, even if I make money, just don't think about the money, bro. Even if I make money, I wouldn't even be happy about it for myself because it's not even a good trade. It's a horrible trade. Like, you don't even know what you're doing, bro. It's like okay, the only thing that I could see here, let me take this away. The only thing that I could see here is, oh yeah, we're in an uptrend. Yeah, so basically, I'm a, I'm a, I'm a take a trade on the recent, I'm gonna take a trade on the lower low, so I could make money on the higher low. You could do that, but I'm here for good trades, not for these trades, bro. So that's what I'm saying, you know. Today's ass, just saying, today's horrible, horrible, horrible. I don't even know, bro. No one knows money, bro. I should, well, should have known it's gonna be like this, but it's whatever. Consistency, wake up, that's all that matters. So, okay, it is 6:54, guys, and oh, and I'm probably gonna head out, but I don't know why Notion is not working, but Notion is great for documenting trends. Huh? Can't hear you. Oh, by the way, oh my, obviously it's glitching again. But by the way, these highs are also, this is buy side liquidity, this is sell side liquidity right here. Just saying. But my market is not showing because glitch. Anyways, what's up? Screenshot to the chat. You're glitching, bro. Alright, chat. Alright, stream. Not the best stream. Not the best trading day. Honestly, let me be honest, bro. Absolutely trash trading. But honestly, it's probably gonna get better throughout the day, but obviously but it doesn't matter because I have to go to school. So if I end up taking a trade like in the car or something, I'll let you guys know tomorrow because tomorrow should be way better. We got news, we got news. I want to see what this S&P. This should be good, bro. Anyways, yeah, 6 a.m. news. That's perfect, dude. Okay, all right, guys. See you guys. See you guys tomorrow. 5:30 a.m.